In this video, I'll show you how to publish an app on Lovable. First, open your web browser, go to the Lovable website, and sign into your account. Then open the app you want to publish. Next, make sure your app is working correctly by testing its main features. Fix any issues before publishing so your users have the best experience. Now, click the Publish button in the top right corner of the editor. Review your publishing settings, and if prompted, choose whether to publish to a Lovable domain or use a custom domain you've already connected. After that, click Publish to start the deployment process. Wait a few moments while Lovable builds and publishes your app. The process may take a minute or two, depending on your project. Finally, once the deployment is complete, Lovable will provide a public URL for your app. Open the link to verify that everything is working correctly. Whenever you make changes to your app, simply click Publish again to update the live version. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to publish an app on Lovable. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.